Well, hello there, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike out here on Toledo Bend Lake. I'm making another video today. Today's video is episode number 9 on the Bubba motor. That's right, episode number 9. It's a 1941 3.3 horsepower Evinrude for Harvey and Beaumont. It's a model number 4371. If you've been following this series, I got good news for you. I think I got it. So, a lot of trouble, power head. Last trouble I had was the rewind starter. Had all the parts come in, put it all together. I couldn't, it would just pull free. I couldn't get it. Well, I figured out what it is. And here's what I found. Okay, so I think I solved the problem. The problem is I bought this piece as a replacement piece. And it was too big. Must be for a 5 horsepower. And it had the springs put in back. It shows these recoiling back. Well, the starter will never catch on these paws in that configuration. So I did it that way, and my paws were always in. I just reversed the springs, and now my paws come out, so the starter can catch. So I think I got that problem solved. I'm gonna see if it'll work now. Yeah, so now the paws are incorrect. Watch what happens when I pull the rope. I think it's working, so I'm going to test her. I'll run her in the barrel. Let's see how she runs in the barrel. Yep. She works. All right, barrel test went pretty good. Let's put her on the Missy boat and see how she does in the water. Everybody's ready. Here we go. All right, well, she runs in the barrel. Finally got the rewind starter and all the problems on her. I got her on the Missy boat and waiting to put the decals after the lake test run and give her the final touch-up paint job. We got the prop on. She's all ready to take her out on the lake and do a test run. Keep your finger crossed. This is episode 9 of the Bubba motor, 1941, 3.3 horsepower Evinrude, model 4371. If everybody's ready. Sir, 1941 3.3 horsepower Evinrude for Harvey and Beaumont. She's a runner. Runs good. Harvey, I'm going to clean her up, put decals in her, and you can come pick her up whenever you're ready. Episode 9 is finished. The Bubba motor has been completed. What a great journey. I love what I do. I love my passion. See y'all next video. Bye, Bubba motor. Bye bye. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, my passion are the vintage outboard motors, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, Johnson and Evinrudes. I just love them. And my mission is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore those vintage outboard motors. And I think I've come pretty close to doing that. I have a website. Go ahead and click on it. It's the first link down below. It's tmikesvintageoutboards.com. On that website is the best way to reach me. You can find my mail-in service repair where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, your magneto. I'll repair it, test it, and video it and put it on YouTube for you to see. I also have all the parts you need right there on that website. I have technical consulting. If you need some questioning, I have a donation page. You can donate some money and ask me questions, and I can get back to you. That's really my best way to contact me is through my website, T Mike's Vintage Outboards. So I love what I do. I love my passion. I love helping people, and it's been a great ride. So remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.